Johanna. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to just share the journals and planners I'm using for 2019. So I've got 4 books here with different purposes for each one, and I just wanted to share how I'm going to be using each one, or how I plan on using each one. So I have kind of 2 planners and 2 journals, but this planner is kind of being used as a journal as well. So for my planner I'm using a Hobonichi Weeks, and I've never used one before, but I've been using this for I think about 6 weeks now, and it's working really well for me. So I have my weeks in this cover from Gallon Leather, and this is in the forest green and it's beautiful. So this is what I'm using as my wallet, and that way I can carry the Hobonichi with me wherever I go. So I'm going to take it out to show you how I'm using this. So I have this cover on mine just to keep it protected, and I've also got this little pocket here because it's in my wallet. I needed an extra card spot. And so like I said, I've been using this for about 6 weeks. So December from last year and then January, and it's been working actually really well for me. I've been finding it's very low maintenance, which works perfectly for me. I've never really been able to keep up with the planner very well, but I've been keeping up with this every single day because I'm not doing anything ridiculous in here. I'm literally just writing down a few things each day to keep me productive and keep me on track with what I need to get done. So just quickly to show you sort of how I'm using this, I've been dividing each side up into 2, and so I've been using the left hand side for my business sort of to-do list, and then the right hand side for my personal to-do list. And then on the opposite side I've been using the left hand side. I started using the left hand side to write down anything I needed to sort of buy, like shopping lists or any errands that I needed to run, or anything that I needed to remember, just for like extra writing space. And then down the right hand side of this page I've got like an ongoing to-do list, and then whenever I get something done I just highlight it, and that's sort of crossing it off for me, and then whatever's left gets moved onto the next page. So with my running to-do list, whatever hasn't been highlighted will get written down on the next page, and yeah, that's how I've been using it. For me it's been really simple and it's been working really well. I've also got a little section down the bottom that I've been doing the last couple of weeks where I write down anything I'm expecting to come in the mail, and then I can cross off what comes and sort of keep track of anything that might not turn up. Yeah, that's how I've been using it, and it's working really well and I really love it actually. This is probably the best planning system I've ever used. For me personally, it's been working perfectly. I can't fault it yet. So that's my planner. I also got this planner from Frankie magazine in Australia because I get them almost every year because they're so beautiful. They have really pretty papers in here, just really nice arty designs. So I didn't want to put this to waste, but I didn't really need a second planner, so I'm using this as like a daily 1 line a day type of a journal. So I've only been using it for a week, but every day I just sort of jot down what we did really briefly that day. That's how I plan to use it for the rest of the year. Hopefully I'll keep up with it and don't forget about it, because I think it's kind of nice to have like a really basic like a glance at the year, I suppose, and you can kind of turn back to any day and see what you did on that day. And these books always come with really beautiful little shopping lists, tear out pages, and like extra note paper and envelope seals and stuff. So really pretty little book. So that's how I'm using that one. Next I have this journal. This is a journal made by The Paper Addiction on YouTube. I bought this journal from her last year, the year before last year actually, because she was one of the first ladies that I ever watched on YouTube, and she inspired me hugely when I first started making books. So I just kind of wanted to have one of her creations. So this is a journal made by her, and I've just been using this for writing. So I don't really want to show all the pages because it's just writing, but I've been using this since I think midway through December, and so I've been trying to challenge myself to write more. So this journal is being used purely for writing because I don't want to make it too chunky by adding things in here, so it's perfect just for pen. So that's how I'm using that one. And then of course I got my big junk journal, which you guys just saw me share on my channel. I shared a flip through of this if you haven't seen it yet. I just made this journal. This is my junk journal, and if you watch my channel then you know that I like to keep a junk journal to catch all the tangible pieces of my life, so bits and pieces of paper especially that come into my life from friends and family and mail and packaging and all of those sorts of things. So just little mementos that are tangible that I don't really know what else to do with, so I put them into my journal in a creative way. So because I'm keeping both a junk journal and a writing journal this year, I think I'm probably going to be doing less writing in here than I usually do, more writing in here and more sort of creative spreads in this book. I will do writing when I want to, but I'm imagining that it'll probably work out that way. So at the moment those are the books that I've got going, and so far so good, it's working, but it's only been a week of 2019, so we'll see how we go. Comment down below what books you're using for 2019, and also of course if you have any questions regarding my system you can leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope you're all doing really well, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.